Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenter's. Today we're going to take a look at our steering column lower trim panel for the 92 to 96 Ford Trucks and Broncos. Let's take a closer look at the key features that make this a great addition to your restoration project. Our steering column lower trim panel is expertly crafted using molded gray ABS plastic, providing a durable and long-lasting replacement for your 92 to 96 Ford Truck or Bronco. What's more, it can be easily painted with solvent-based paints, giving you the flexibility to match your vehicle's color or add your own personal touch. The molded-in storage pocket is a practical original feature, offering a convenient space to keep your small items within reach while on the road. We should note that the clips and rubber bumpers are not included, but don't worry. This panel is designed to work seamlessly with your original Ford clips and bumpers, ensuring a straightforward installation process. Our trim panel is also made using Ford original tooling and officially licensed by the Ford Motor Company, ensuring a precise fit that complements your steering column flawlessly. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.